everyone, happy Saturday and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my secretary Hutch here behind me for spring. And yes, I know I'm a little late getting all my spring done, but you know, they always say better late than never. And of course, if you're a Golden Girls fan and a fan of Blanche, it's better late than pregnant. You remember that episode on the game show? That one is so funny when she says that. Okay, so I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and get a little bit close up over here, and we'll get to decorating. Well, I do have a few things on here already that I'd already started with, and I just want to add a couple more items and a little bit of flowers too. So I'm thinking what I want to do is a little bit of the pip berries and some of these flowers like I did over on my other table. And we'll just set that lid back on here. All right. So that's all I'm doing to the top shelf. Now, the middle shelf, let's see, we can still see the middle shelf, okay? Here is my rooster that I finally got finished. And here is the hen. So they are just going to go in here like so. Okay, got a little bit of the pip berries and the little ball things. Let's see. That side. And stick some over here. So, like these hanging down a little bit. Berries pulled up. Kind of want to do that up here too. All right, so let me move the camera down here a little bit. And we'll do the shelf. Now I think I'm going to go ahead and put greenery right here. Play with it a little bit. Okay, and we'll do the same. Berries. And the flowers. Okay. Now I just have this pear. I kind of like the colors of it. I think it kind of blends in with the yellows. We'll just stick that there. Okay, so now I have my 3 shelves done. And of course I already had the top done earlier, so let me take the camera off the tripod and we will check out the whole hutch. Okay, here is my secretary hutch. Now up top I have Mr. Bunny. Yes, he's finally made his appearance. And I have this bird cage. I just put some yellow flowers in. Basically doing yellow, white, and green in here. And we have the top shelf. Just trying to keep it simple. In here. I love how these turned out. Okay. And then of course this was my little sneak peek down below. It's back up again. So far back I can get without hitting something. Oh, my light's in the way. Yeah, I had to put my light on. It's a little dark on this side of the house. It's kind of on the to the left here of the where the windows are is the north side, so it stays pretty dark on here. Okay, that is how it's looking. So how about we go ahead and take a tour, because you see I got some more stuff done take a quick tour of the family room here. Okay, first off, I'm going to apologize for any glares that are in here. I have to have the windows open. It's getting a little cloudy today. It's supposed to be a high of 68 today with some showers. And tomorrow, it's going to be 30 with snow. 2 to 4 inches. Yeah, it's interesting what a day makes here in Colorado. Now you're seeing my family room here, how we always have it. Now all these blankets in our chairs are what the dogs lay on. And look over here real quick. We got Bailey. It's hard to see him. He blends in so well with his blankies. What? Oh, I just woke him up. He's been in here watching me decorate this morning. Of course, it's getting to be afternoon now. Okay. Go look over here on this wall. I got everything done over here. I didn't do too much on my entertainment center, so we'll quickly look over there and my coffee table. Let's go here first. I just love this rooster. I gotta find some more that have details like this. I really did enjoy painting this. Okay, kind of go over here, glance here. I'm gonna have to step back down. We have a couple step ups right there. Here's the fireplace. We'll do a little close up. And see if I can back up without tripping or knocking into something. Okay, there's the fireplace. And I didn't put anything down here this year, but I did do a little bit of decor down here. I love these lanterns. I got them at Home Goods. And I love how they're open here, but they have glass in them. And then of course these open up. And they have these 2 sizes. They weren't even that expensive either. I think the big one might have been around $30 for the big one. Okay, and of course we have the hutch that we just did. Here. Okay, I'm gonna pan around here really quick. I have my TV on. Let's go up here really quick. I didn't do too much up here. I just added a few things for now. Not sure what I want to do with up here, so I didn't do anything on these. I did do a little bit of rearranging on them, but I didn't do anything for spring. This is just my everyday decor. Of course, down here, I have a few things at the bottom. We're going to come over here to this side. Sorry for this glare. Let me see if I can put the blind there. That's a little better. Okay. We'll look one more time up here, maybe without a glare. All right, so now come back down this way. And this is what I did to the coffee table. Just added a birdhouse. I thought it'd be kind of cute to have a bird's nest next to it. Because of course these birds are a little too big to get into that birdhouse, so but that nest looks about their size. And this is that tray that I made a while back last year. It was just a sign that hangs that I got at Hobby Lobby, and it was green background. I put some chalk paint on it, kept the wording, and added the handles over here on both sides. Okay, so let me kind of back up here and kind of see. And ignore that corner over there. Yeah, we have an air purifier, and yes, that is that end table I still haven't done. Okay, so we've got this going. It's just got way too much of a glare in here. Looks better this way. All right, well that is it for the tour. Whoops, got glare on my lamp. This is mainly what I've been working on, is getting this wall done. I really like how this turned out. I don't try to put too much on the entertainment center except for regular decor, but I do love how this turned out. Okay, so come back for just a little bit of chit chat. Well, that is going to do it for the video today. I hope that everybody enjoyed it. And again, I want to apologize for the glare. You know, this room is one of the hardest rooms for me to do a video in because we have the north side here, the west side here, the covered deck is there. It just stays so dark in here. And when I open up the blinds, there's always a glare every time I try to do a video. So I just can never win in this room. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend. And hopefully I'll have a video up on Monday. Not sure what it'll be. Still working on the kitchen. So hope everybody stays positive, stays safe, and stays healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.